Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Pods. Are you looking for a decoration that will give your backyard patio a vibrant look to it? Do you love it when birds visit your garden and currently looking for wooden backyard birds which will attract more birds into your garden? We have a beautiful wooden bird to transform your garden. We would like you to know the 6 assorted backyard birds. This is a beautifully wooden made backyard birds which will attract not only birds into your garden but people as well. Now you can transform your lawn, patio, garden or yard into a haven for birds. There are 6 birds that make up this collection of hand-carved, hand-painted birds which has an elegant looking finish. These includes a cardinal, a bluebird, a chickadee, a goldfinch, an oriole, and a nuthatch. The long wait is over. You can have the 6 assorted backyard birds today at a very affordable price and have a way to decorate your garden or patio with this lovely item. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Plants.